Hi there, I am Dannah McKellar Ntaka, and I am back here at the property as we are working our way out. We haven't talked about this house in a while because we came through the 1 month period where I was gone to the East Coast, and this property was full of snow and it was getting ready to have all kinds of problems with pipes bursting because they are not accustomed to having 1 degree weather in Texas. I have a table out there and things that I've been saving over the past 7 or 8 months. Let's see, there's some boxes of glasses, and I have a garage that's full of things for a spring garage sale. And we are doing the curb appeal once and for all. My 2 trucks are on the grass because we are going to be having the lawn done. Weeds will be pulled, getting ready to repave the driveway. So that's the porch, the way it looks right now, and we'll come back in a couple of days when it is fully decorated and let you see how that looks. Thank you.